It's cool. Nah. But you can use this flotation device.
Floating. What they say, me floating. They can be hating.
Put both feet.
If you put both feet, we'll give you a big bag of seeds.
See, damn it, man.
See,
premium from Costco.
No, I have to contemplate. I have to consider. I'm aquaphobic, man.
Costco.
Why do I have to be aquaphobic?
Flotation device.
Few moments later.
I told you can trust me.
What? Kayete la boca, Jare.
Who do you trust then?
Me, man. I trust me.
What?
Hey, wait.
I lifted it.
Yeah, you lifted it.
But why?
There's no specific reason.
Can I just float?
Excuse me.
May I just float?
So politely, of course you can float.